Hello people, welcome back to a new makeup video by Jenny M. Follow me on Instagram at jenny.m to see my short videos, and today is a blue makeup. I'm not going to draw my eyebrows, just a foundation underneath, and I'm using La Colors foundation to do that. About the background song is from Daudi Babu, a friend of mine. I will brush out my eyebrows using this Iman of Noble Lash and Brow Gel Mascara, and that is it. On to eyeshadow. This is Romantic Beauty eyeshadow palette. I will use this color starting with purple, then dark blue and light blue. I started with this as my transition color. Then the purple eyeshadow. I'm now on the dark blue eyeshadow. I got a skin tan from where I traveled to, that's why my shoulders are a bit darker. I'm cutting my crease using La Colors foundation. It's time for the light blue eyeshadow. Just blending the two colors together. I will put my lashes behind the camera. Mascara them. Cleaning out the excess eyeshadow. La Girl Face Primer to prime my face. My foundation for today is a bit darker, and it is from Black Opal. La Colors foundation to highlight under my eyes, on my chin, on the bridge of my nose, and on my forehead. And I'm just going to blend it in to avoid it drying up, since when it dries it's going to be hard to blend it.
Nairobi dag koda mama yoyo chikeni mora baby sheribi dag koda nyabukusu mos ingeni ketho wiya nifanye nini jarumo sefol kodi nyabukusu nyamara bande chimora hani nani bande chimora baby toto bande chimora nyabukusu yoyo toto bande chimora hani nani bande chimora baby yenga weka podangima.
Setting powder is from Beauty Creation.
Toto bande chimora hani nani.
You don't press the powder in, but brush it out.
Baby moro chunya kakite do mama chimbi mit sana ye ipidha kapoda ngima nyabukusu yorigano mera ungega rwako wenda akiana sungi nade nyabukusu yoro chingo mera atwecho ndisolepe nifanye nini babu nyabukusu yorbena domera. I
used one shade darker powder and it's from Maybelline Fit Me.
Wazazi bendo yego akiana pingi nade nyabukusu chikano ni mama mos ingeni ketho wiya nifanye nini jarumo sefol kodi.
Blending everything to avoid any demarcation mark.
Engineer Samson Ongus Jacobala Kindube Robinson Nataro
My highlighter is from La Colors Illuminating Powder.
Wapi Engineer Charles Maina Janya Kach Samson Natela Moses Onyango Engineer Springfield, Kenya Jojo Mondi Okelo Salimia Engineer Ben Wadi Kisusi Susana Yako majabu ya kapesa Wako chuno Wapi Jose Kavuluku
Using the light blue eyeshadow underneath my eye.
George Woodlambe Senior Content
Outlining using black eye pencil and later a lip gloss.
Dr. Jonah Taylor Eliambasa Mike Woodnyalambwe Kula rumba taratibu Nyakati ya Ramji Recording Studios.
And that is my final look. Thank you for watching till the end. Please subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at jenny.m.
KDF Kenya. Salimia Joel Woodnyalambwe Docha Mayo Kula rumba Lydia Akol.
Bye bye.